there, it's Miss Mason here, and you are getting ready to read another fable. This fable's title is called The City Mouse and the Country Mouse. Remember that fables are stories that were written a long time ago by a man named Aesop. Can you say Aesop? Aesop. Great job! A fable is a story that teaches a little lesson or a moral. Remember when we read the story, The Lion and the Mouse? That's another fable that taught us a lesson, that friends who are little in size can still be great friends. In this story, The City Mouse and the Country Mouse, there are two settings. A setting is where the story takes place. This story is set in two places, the country and the city. We're going to learn the differences between these two settings. Let's take a look. This is a picture of the city. The city is very crowded and it can sometimes be noisy. And it has lots of tall buildings and lots of buildings in general. It has lots of cars and lots of people. Have you ever visited the city? What did you see when you were in the city? We live in a city together, Houston. There's some parts that kind of look like the country and some parts that do look like this city here with tall buildings. Let's take a look at the country picture. This is a picture of the country. The country has lots of open green space, and there's not as many buildings. The buildings are very far away, which makes it quiet. There's not a lot of traffic, which means there's not a lot of cars or people. Have you ever visited the country? What did you see when you were in the country? Awesome job, and thank you for sharing. You are getting ready to read the story, The City Mouse and the Country Mouse. It's about two characters who live in different places, and they like different things. The main characters in this story are two mice, the country mouse, who lives in the country, and the city mouse, who lives in the city. Today, while you're reading, listen for the kinds of things that the country mouse likes and the kinds of things that the city mouse likes. I hope you have lots of fun reading the fable, The City Mouse and the Country Mouse.